What's up guys, One Low Magma with Miami Auto Bros coming at you with a brand new video for your F-150. Today we're going to be tackling replacing the tail lamps on your truck. You're going to see just how easy it is to swap out the tail lamps on your truck. Obviously I have aftermarket lamps. I'm going to be using another set of aftermarket lamps courtesy of eBay. We got some new style ones that we're going to be putting on here. All you're going to need is an 8mm to do this. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for all our other videos, especially for our F-150 videos. Make sure you like and you comment. If this video helps you out and you change your tail lamps, drop us a comment. First things first, you want to make sure you drop your tailgate so you can access the two 8mm bolts on the inside. You got 1 and 2, and we're going to go ahead and take those out. Real simple. Other than that, it does have 3 pins that's holding it in, right? 1, 2, and 3. Basically, it's going to feel tight in there, especially if it's your factory one. So you want to just give it a little bit of a nudge. Don't be yanking or pulling on this. We'll pop them right out. With your tail lamp out, you're just going to go ahead and pull off the connector. It's a one connector on this 2018 to 2020. So you're just going to plug in your connection and pop the lamp back in. All right, now we got it plugged in. We're going to go ahead and put it right back in those same, just in case for reference. There's your pins. Here's the pins on the lamp. And these guys are going to go in there. Line up the back ones. Then you come over here to the front and make sure this one lines up right there. All right, with the lamp back in, now we're going to go ahead and tighten up our 8mm bolts. Done. Make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you check out the channel, check out all our other videos.